Allahi wa barakatuh. Honorable judges and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank the Almighty Allah to give me the ability to stand in front of you. At the auspicious occasion of Zygus 2K24, I would like to share a small story. Long ago, during the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a very weak and tired person come to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He told the Prophet ﷺ that he was very hungry and did not eat anything in a very long time. The Prophet ﷺ did not have any food with him. So he told someone to tell one of his wives. But she said that she did not have anything except water. Again, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the same question to other wives. But all of them said the same thing because none of them had any food with. At this point, there was a very few people around with him. So the Prophet ﷺ said aloud, "Who will be able to feed this hungry man as their guest?" At the time, Ansar radiallahu anhu, one of his Sahaba from Medina, said, "O Prophet of Allah, I will." He was happy that he finally figured out a solution to his problem. So Ansar radiallahu anhu took the hungry man to his home. When they got home, Ansar radiallahu anhu told his wife to prepare some food for the guest of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His wife told to him they did not have any food, anything except a little bit of food for the children. Her husband Ansar radiallahu anhu said to keep the children busy with something, and when they ask food, just put them to sleep. When it was finally time to eat, at first they were worried because there was only a little bit of food, and the three of them were at the moment: the hungry man, Ansar radiallahu anhu, and his wife. They wanted to give the food for their guest and did not want him to feel bad. So his wife turned off the light and gave the hungry man his food in the darkness, even though only the hungry man was only eating, and he didn't know the both Ansar radiallahu anhu and his wife were pretending to eat with him. The next morning, when Ansar radiallahu anhu came, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, "Allah knows and loud what you did yesterday for your guests at last night." This story shows us how important it is to save our guests, because the blessing in our life will only grow up when we give to others, especially those who are in need. I think you would like my story. Thank you for having me. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.